The Pandas library contains multiple methods for convenient data filtering. Among these methods, Loc and iLoc is the most popular. Using Loc and iLoc, we can do practically any data selection task on Pandas data frames. So what is Loc and iLoc in the first place? Loc is label based, which means that we have to specify the name of the rows and columns that we need to filter out. On the other hand, iLoc is integer index based. So we have to specify rows and columns by their integer index. In this video, we shall see multiple examples how to use Loc and iLoc for the data selection in Pandas. First, we will import the necessary libraries, specify the start and end time, and use Yahoo Finance to import some data. So this is our data frame. Let's create some columns. So we will create two columns, one for log returns and one for cumulative returns. Let's see how to use log first. If we want to select a row using log, we have to put .log and followed by the row name. So the row, we can choose any row. Let's choose the second row, 2020-01-02. It will give us all the values in the column. But if we want to get a value in a particular cell, we have to specify the column name. So let's take this example for this date, and for cumulative returns we get 0.0183, which is the same as the value here. And we can use log to do filtering. For example, we can put .log data.close that is more than 200. Then it will show the data frame where all the close price is more than 200. And we can also specify multiple conditions. For example, we want to filter all the rows with closing price more than 200 but less than 250. Okay, you can see it's all from 200 to 250. If we want to show multiple columns, we can specify using an array over here. So now this gives us a table for all the close price more than 200. Let's say more than 200. And this is the log returns value and the cumulative returns. We can also do slicing using log. For example, we can slice from this date to this date. Now let's look at iLoc. Let's show our data first. If we want to get the second row, instead of putting the name of the row, we have to put the integer index. So this is 0, this is 1, so we put 1. And then we got the value for the whole rows. If we want to choose a particular cell, we have to specify the integer index for the column. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. Put here, then we get this. So we can also choose multiple rows. Let's say rows 0 and 7. Or we can do multiple rows and columns. We can also do slicing using iLoc. for example 1 to set the second row, and we can also do slicing for some rows and some columns. That's all for this video. The code can be downloaded below. If you like to feedback on the video, we welcome your comments below. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.